All right, so let's set up an AI agent for outbound calling. If we're going to the left and we're going to AI agents, and then we're going to go to voice AI, and then we will click on a agents list. Okay. Um, Here's where we'll create an agent. Okay. We're going to go to the right here where it says create agent in the blue background. We'll click on that. Okay. So, similar steps to how we've set up a um, agent for inbound calling, except for this time, let's say we have my agent 908, speaks English, time zone is Eastern Standard Time. You can also change all of these informations out as well too. So if it's a different language you want to use, you can use a different language as well too. You can change the name to something that you might like or pick up a little bit more on. And then we have our business name. We have the voice. So there's different types of voices that you can pick through. You can also listen to it as well too. All right. And then we have our GPT model as well too that you can pick through. And it'll tell you, the different price ranges for them being able to use it. So we got this is Chat, Claude, and then Gemini. Those are the different models. Okay. Um, some of them are stronger than others. They operate a little bit different than others. So I would suggest learning those through the different applications. So Chat will also let you know the difference between the different models that they have, as well as Claude and Gemini. Okay. The greeting message configuration for the inbound calls. This is for inbound, this is for outbound. Okay, you can put that information in there too. So let's say if I put in, I'm just gonna put in what they typed here about your appointment. Okay. And then we have our disclaimer style and options down here. This is a live preview of what it already is. The AI disclaimer. And then you can choose the style as well too. So we got concise. Okay, that'll let you know what that says here for concise. We have standard as well too, conversational, and then you can write your own. Okay. The opt-out mechanism. Okay. For the in-call verbal opt-out, the agent will automatically recognize and detect opt-out keywords like stop, remove me from the call, don't call me again. So what happens is consent flag equals false. And then there's an immediate removal from the call list when they recognize those keywords. Additional opt-out options, you can turn on the key press opt-out when that is available, as well as the post-call text message opt-out as well too. Those will be operating pretty soon, and you can come back and check on those when they are activated. Okay, we also have a wait before speaking as well too. So this was just pause before the assistant speaks at the start of the call, so you can turn those seconds on as well too. All right. So let's say we have all the information in here, and then we'll click on next. Now we have our agent goals as well too. And then um, if you remember from before, we have our knowledge base that's right here. This is what we had taught from the inbound calling as well too. So you can pick one if you already have one that's existing. If you want to create a new one, you can here as well too. So this is very, very similar to what we have set up before. Okay. All right. So details from the that you want to collect from the contact. You want to get a name, email address, contacts issue. Those are good. And anybody that you want to receive the email notification as well too, post call completion. If you want everybody that's an admin and a user, that's fine. If you want a specific email that's not in your system that you want it to go to, you can choose that as well. Okay. So let's do next. All right. And we're back on our other page here where we have the phone and availability. You'll pick the phone number that you want this to go to. All right. Select up to 5. Enable AI agents as a backup to the phone number. Um, You leave this off if you want so if you want the voice AI agent to automatically pick up on every call, you'll just turn this off. Okay. If you want the AI agent to only answer calls during specific times of day, you'll turn this on and then you'll be able to pick the date and the time that you want them to um, be available. Okay. All right. On the right here, on the right here, um, you can test your agent as well too. So you can listen to the call from here. It'll give you also the history after that call is done. And it'll give you a 20 minutes to test as well too. For the phone numbers here to select, you have to also make sure that the phone number that you selected isn't already attached to a different voice AI already. So if it's not, it'll highlight here so that way you can be able to pick that. All right. So once you're complete, you'll just hit save. All right. And now you have your agent that's been set up.